Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your Deriv MT5 account password. This is important for keeping your trading account secure and making sure that only you have access. Now let's get started. On your MT5 dashboard, to change your password, all we need to do is click the three horizontal lines in the upper left part of the dashboard. Once we're there, we just need to click your name. Here, you will see right away the Change Password option under the accounts in the pop-up window that you just clicked. Now, once you click Change Password, you can enter your current password and the new password. You can confirm the new password by typing it again here. Once you have typed the new password, all you have to do is change the password. That's how we change the Deriv MT5 account password. With these simple steps, we can keep our account safe and up to date.